Today, we're taking you inside a modern USA coffee factory to reveal how coffee is produced, from raw beans to the perfect cup. Let's begin. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll take you inside and show you exactly how coffee is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more factory documentaries like this. Everything starts with carefully selected green coffee beans, sourced from farms around the world. When the beans arrive at the factory, they are inspected, cleaned, and sorted to remove impurities and ensure consistent quality. Next comes the most critical stage, roasting. Advanced roasting machines precisely control temperature and time, transforming raw green beans into aromatic roasted coffee. This process defines the flavor, color, and aroma of the coffee you enjoy every day. After roasting, the beans are cooled and ground to specific sizes, depending on the final product. Different blends are carefully created to deliver balanced taste, strength, and consistency in every batch. The freshly processed coffee is immediately packaged using high-speed automated systems. Airtight sealing preserves freshness, aroma, and quality, ensuring the coffee reaches consumers at its best. Before leaving the factory, every package undergoes strict quality checks. From weight and sealing to aroma and taste, nothing moves forward without meeting industry standards. And that's how coffee is produced today, combining tradition with modern technology to deliver quality in every cup. If you enjoyed this factory tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more inside looks at how everyday products are made.
And that's how coffee is made, from start to finish.